gaja go ba kam ne den ko nan chura je ka kwi ngaba do nyaw ti ka gwa ma tod mi go no kwa correct ti la ti la kon ga let gwa me ka media ta lat kon ten ti ka roi chan ki la na 10 years ago la ngode mi tiet ka men chura lat min go ba la no dia la chi kai ten especially de kan la ga jiok tin like kwi support do nyaw ti ka gwa ton mi go ba correct do mi te ngwan kan le ka ja community in general kan ga ja ga lok okay I remember bia palaka network ga shab mi ban chang la te ta dit gwa ta tinen network te ta mi dit do mi te kan le ka ga ja community in general especially in Melbourne Australia kwa ja kona kin kan ga ja win lo kin sorry network ja when I leave I remember 6 years ago to check gaja ka kwar ka community gaja I believe to ganyaw yoda ganyaw asan like check so the show on a job on network ti check me jo asan and kwar man gaja as nya gaja ka che gaja long me kon gaja community in go binaitem ticket buo ka Africa ba document ko alaka jin buo bi bilo je kana as soon as they finish talking to ganya ben kala video shuran ko no mandit ne da chin chut ken blood aran lo Facebook dom nyaw years ago video ko da shega masin kana shawde live story den chur latin ke liu iko go ta jogi binayi lok bini document ko alaka ka bay moy ke ticket bay mi ko yow jin bilu je kana ko yela la je ni dan tol ga yo doom nyaw tolaka the mission no men go ra ba ngake ye yow tol yen ga ko kwingo ka ci ko no ba ka Afrika bo je kana ko do te ko en menana mi bi reaction no nguru rei community la nana akon mi fi dung dolo no ga ja kan ga dom nyaw tol dom nyaw te lerek dom nyaw cha jogo joj che ya ga jalong mi ko ro ga ja wo cha ka ko wida bini document ku realaka bay tem ticket bay muy ke yo buwa le je kana chu do ben ga Facebook ga nyamu ko I don't really care because nemete ke bu gudo go I'm saying challenges so chui chi ga lobon ko wajin siara mat ka shegda ga ja ki chot felat en go god you know bi atara toirar bi atara logarar ani jene ko tuna we mi ta lara bai lo ka ba document ko ala ka bai tem ti ka de bo ka Afrika chui na ko go no bai wa rar binar lo mat ba ta lo garar yo wi ben ko na ba ala mi bi community aba jena ba lunjok ganya I don't care we could koninga I don't really care so sure let she let down and then we tell gaja they didn't let you down you let yourself down come here dak door kon dial shi dak ci narangap nel ba dia ga bara wala ra wang cha tur lek cha question la rede and I show up in the Conga media. They're not funny. Show up in the Conga media. She did. Go pay me the tank but do up Conga control. Is your money? A palagaja. Chakon you about him ticket. What document about my ticket? By me, you work Africa. You look you now could media. You go to know about Garar. So you need to go dom nyaw yo to like in respectful ways. Ko is ya look jek to yenda morun yo for whatever reason. Es ya ngaj. Shwa do to yo shi cha look. Mi chen ka go look network jega ba jega ba li ba lunjok so la da jeka o shi jega bia ra bia da morun mai ka support everybody needs support choi la di shi da mi you know kana ko look shi mani point ne check te shi mani point ne check te ka god te ya da fere so to me I don't think there's any problem because then the health is a problem kami je mai ne fu gar ko go go ka Africa shi ga da ngai phone chwa e jo shi ga ni e wudi ko pa cha tika da yanda yanta men ga ja bi ka Africa ka je gari ya men ta la ya ba ya le da balun jok da ya phone na kwan da ya kuwar man ga ja ga ronan ko yora shi ga mara ka kuwara cha mai da ger an cham na ga ba ko ka Africa di chen da yeah, this young Russian mine girl quite ticket book Africa. As simple as that. Tell them a good game then. Tell them a good Charlington. Tell them a good show up then. That's my message. Yo we been in the way with them go rigi. But truth must be told. Network, I had network. Sometimes you go by game ngar. By game ngar go jogran. You will enjoy now, you will receive your money. But could the balloon ga jagron because on your like social media because the local community ga jagron and the region do nyaw ga ja kan look can do ka look can get ready to get ko le ke jek e kan ne ti kon de sha la ba item ticket she de shi la ba item ticket me ko ga ja kwingule la isturu de jangwa el janga jetin kwa isturu de me be ja ka Melbourne ka Australia kwa je te ngunde ko chui ka lane ko cha ji ko ba dok fe men ko ya la ka ba item ticket ba me yo bu je na da wo chi na ku bokonya but I know this king war na ga ji tomorrow they will come back and abuse you my mom community. I know God you very well. They will support you now. You will collect the money. They will leave the corruption and they will put on top of you. Before you know it, before I close my eye and open it, bidwolling, jindomnya, Kaja community, I remember very well, and I believe everybody can remember. Me cha neno bidwa koroni bidu les kamale su bidum, ko ganya uden yonga jigara woro. Ni dialo ko right head dunga ndomnya and nonsense. Domnya yonga ler, kana dar. Kajin ci disabled tin yonga do bien den kon yen man right choy mo ndom nyaw yo mo ndom nyaw chek do yonga ler pura la tin ka yoy ga live video do yonga ler kana dar ka tola lat tu yona ta ci alun kwa to yo every man but mo e chek tin na ka do nyaw kare goro e ler kana dar simple as that so yani ni pan la gente ci make sense tin rik duom now kan tang ra goro ka wol duob goro chek ma toy ken 24/7 mi chek de duob goro yo logo wallet simple e wona ga ja gara dial wona community ben dial duom nyaw ci homeless do take dar kume 180 maybe a fortnight. Then it take 700 Centrelink for 600 every 2 weeks. Do up to a car, God will. What is the condition? Me dual will take a Medicare and concession. Me cha gar wal me wal de ko 50 ko take a concession be pay the 2015 but the concession or Medicare turn the pay. Do up the problem. Yen yentin ci real ka biya do tol yo tol do yo ko tol je chek moy de chek mi balum 24/7 lib de mo ron do nyaw te la reg do ko community je dakele kan won register moy liere ga ne ga ne ka karawa nga ko def e be bode single in the community ke la rig de mo ron kan ro lo long ci chek ro lo ngan gat ke okay rig do nyaw kan dang ro en dang je ga do la reg go de ganya to le jo hitelo condition reg de dar ko no ko de te yo ba to le chon company Okay? Go to that toy chick 24/7. Chama long ago, chang a ching with them knock their room there. Means ya lad when you live video. When you live video. But one could jing me a toy 24/7. It's a little privacy. Ganya video we young go doing man because there is no one being knocked by the way. Because means ya lad private when you live video. You can company. Ganya may take a problem they low come. They pay 800 every 2 weeks as a disability or as a mental person. Tell mental young or dark and a lad. Simple as that. Card I do it. Tell a belly will cock shop. Colonna cousin. Everything that he needs is in that house. Do the pay kumage. Do time unit a little. Check out your kite child for me in the pay because thank God she did it. You can $12 Michelle had anyway. 15. So please don't do it like do community back in the days. Especially the community. Yeah, as I said, Ganya, you are free, you will be good. But you guys have more bad credit. Australia, Australia, they're very good people. They're always there for you. She can never control. Go and keep it here and yeah, do now. You guys have Australia and more bad credit. They are very good people and they're always there for you. Second, that you're right. They're young, let me tell you this. Nis Doran Conway. McKinney got new more rock. Taka come with you. A sheer Noridian. Right? I like Charles for the man, a your gun. If I also for a gun, take a long go, God could be in any time that you want to see them. But me also for face. You don't have a chance to see them. Guru no dom now kid them or Jen pay also for gun. Quip a man gun, we pay one gun also for me to wait. They keep the you come you lie. One gun would I don't know what pay a child for gun every month, so you are lying. So Ramagad Kakoromika be a kajik share. The Gananka weekend, Sunday afternoon, because logical will go. This is the law. We all live here in Western world. But thank on the can behave like video like they don't know law. Tarampin a guard roll me. God could be a gin bigger period because if you don't do the right thing, like you come and know the man gun get you go bigger pain because you don't support them. You can't claim something you don't support. So these are the things that you guys need to know before you jump into something that you don't know. We always see them make a birthday and up with a guard. We see. But full time because it's not taking care of them. It's not taking care of them. According to Western world law. Come on, shame nuri. Michi gudak. Kashagat kunang shin radian. La karoge. Tin the baroko well. Or borrow. How about this is child support? Con pay with la pay every month. Why you with chin aragana gan you mar chick benang bigger con rock. Bigger con rock. And we go over chick did la wrong thing. Because you have to pay back. You have to pay back. You have to pay back. So, guru no tuam nyaw, mi chora mesa ba chi chal to fort pay ka kume. So kai chi ga jo chi God benen, to chi ga sho. Because this is how it works. You claim something that you own. Ka God ka ban mi chora support. Jalad. So this is the thing that guru won't correct in the video and tape on. Because sometimes young jin chi guru like a door your chat chi make sen walat ba yi wa jabi. We benerar. Kana kon la raba lunge like video ka dum nyaw. But there is some mistake that is not right. It makes sense. Do of in the first, because in the last, which is that in shed. Kakan won wrong off. Take a money pay won out of. Yeah. You support and don't support something that you don't know. Ask question. Community guy, we go. I have no issue with you because I know me. You know, back in the day that eba na kulo wo kwet kaje en wo gor no wo ibinar la mar ka shega ba tara ga yeah so that my phone of you ganya you hine free cuz an topic 24/7 ba koninga but mi kirana jega le da bwara la da kan rada she jin min yongo che la won yongo darga ne ler ci ga jaga de kun ce ka tire ce ku kula ja je na rai dole kudu ka to je da kan kun wando so ci ga jaga le da control yo na yeah ba ko ga gwata cha to ganya you hine free go beri ko koninga ya la koram ko na ya ne ma ciwo tien te pa command ti dien dek how many is your command tien te we have a lot of them in Gambela. Some they are homeless, they don't have a house. Did they fix the issue? She could probably yeah. Check an enemy here and tell you should when you can turn that community here and on fire until today. One community got that in peace. Did they solve their own problem? No, of course. You see what? Yeah.